Choosing a name defines a person long before they can define themselves. You are handing a child the first tool to navigate the world. For generations, the default choice was deep heritage. Look at the biblical heavyweights. Names like Ezekiel carry massive cultural presence and grant a child instant, widespread recognition. But that historical weight comes with a statistical cost. Pick a classic, and your child easily gets lost in a sea of identical identities. Invent something from scratch, and it lacks roots. This leaves modern parents caught in a dead zone. You either sacrifice deep ancestral connection, or you sacrifice a distinct individual identity. Listen to how the name Jakiah lands. jah-KIE-uh. 3 distinct syllables that settle into a rhythm like a soft drum beat. It bypasses the statistical trap, ranking well below the top 5,000 names in the U.S. Census. A child named Jakiah will rarely, if ever, share a classroom with another one. Yet, beneath that very modern phonetic surface, you can hear a distinct echo. The name connects right back to the oldest naming traditions. It solves the naming dilemma by giving a child a unique identifier, while still holding on to historical gravity. The foundational DNA of Jakiah traces back to the ancient Hebrew root, Yaakov. While one linguistic branch leads to the traditional Jacob, another diverges toward Jakiah. Historically, Yaakov translates to the supplanter, or he who replaces the old with the new. That root carries a heavy narrative. It is tied directly to ancient stories of figures wrestling with their own destiny, baking a quiet, resilient undercurrent right into the letters. But those ancient, rigid histories do not always map perfectly onto contemporary life. Modern parents look for a sound that breathes a little more easily. That confident supplanter DNA remains intact, but it acts as a hidden backbone, carefully wrapped inside an approachable, melodic exterior. This transformation took shape in the late 20th century. African-American naming traditions began actively blending heavy biblical roots with highly inventive phonetic styling. The linguistic mechanics are simple. By swapping the hard consonant ending of traditional names for a final, softening vowel, the entire rhythm shifts from a full stop to an upward lyrical lift. This phonetic shift allows the name to stretch across a lifetime. For a child, it sounds like a playful chant. For an adult, it reads like a distinguished surname turned first name, suitable for a professor or a tech entrepreneur. This process is the active architecture of a new cultural identity, intentionally built directly on top of older foundations. Mapping the U.S. popularity history of Jakiah, the name was virtually non-existent before 1997. Moving into the early 2000s, a steady climb begins as creative respellings gain traction. The data hits its peak around 2010, proving a concentrated period of cultural adoption. Those numbers track a specific trend across modern American communities, a demand for names that serve as unique, creative expressions of identity. The trajectory of Jakiah reflects a broader movement away from static tradition and toward dynamic creation. It represents a generation of parents finding ways to keep history alive through innovation. Even the name's numerical value, calculated as a 22 in some systems, aligns with this theme. In that framework, 22 is labeled a master builder, which describes the name itself, using historical roots as the raw material to construct something new. A child given this name carries the charisma of a highly individual identity, backed by the tested resilience of a multi-generational legacy. Jakiah is a true hybrid. Kitseal's at home sitting in a Sunday school pew, and equally native painted on a city block mural. It proves that we honor the past best when we reinvent it for the future.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can visit us at babybloomtips.com for more baby name inspiration.